Seeing the way that consumers really influence how trials are designed and managed is inspiring. And also the number of new treatments that are available now that are much more effective. We wouldn't have those new treatments without clinical trials. I was diagnosed in 2010 with what's known as HER2 positive breast cancer. And I'm speaking to you 15 years later, basically because of the invention of a drug that was designed to target that particular breast cancer. So clinical trials for me saved my life. That's one of the main reasons I want to work for effective treatments for other different types of breast cancer. Having consumers at the table means that patients are therefore top of mind all the time. We get involved from the very beginning. We're asked to comment on a concept for a trial, who can participate, who can't participate. And sometimes we will ask the questions, could this trial be available for people in regional areas, for example? Could this trial be available to men? There are things like how many times they have to visit the clinic. If we think that's too onerous, we would ask, does it really have to be that frequent? Also, the information that participants are given, we want to make sure that that consent information is as easy to understand as possible, so that when people agree to go on a trial, they're giving really well-informed consent. So there are lots of examples of where we're thinking from the patient's perspective, and that in turn, once we've gone through and helped tweak those kinds of things, it can make it easier to recruit for the trial as well. For the future, I see at least two major challenges that I'd really love to see progress on. One is optimisation of treatment, making sure the doses are correct for each individual person to minimise the side effects that people go on and live with for the rest of their lives. That's so important for patients to feel happy and not to feel that their life has been really compromised by their breast cancer experience. And the second thing I think is tackling treatments that are personalised and that are tailored to the kinds of breast cancer that are still cutting people's lives short. The big dream is really to have a treatment for every type of breast cancer, for every individual person, their own physiology, that cures it. That's what we're looking for. We really want to be able to say, your breast cancer is cured, go off and live a happy life.